Hey, this is Sean with Playground IEP, and we have two really neat new tools built into the progress monitoring suite inside of Playground. And in this video, I will demo both of those new tools. The first one that I'll show you is the ability to upload student work and have it automatically write a progress note for you. I've selected a student here, Carlos, and Carlos has a fraction goal. Now, I have a work sample from Carlos, and what I can do here now is actually just upload that work sample. So I'm going to click on that button. It'll give me kind of an outline of what's going to happen, but I can either drop my image in here or PDF, or I can select this and then select a file. And I'm going to show you what this file looks like. As you can see, it's just a picture of a fraction worksheet that Carlos filled out. So I'm going to open that. And that file has been submitted, and now AI is analyzing this document to decide, is this student making progress based on this work sample? So we'll take a look at this when it gets processed. All right, my work sample just got processed, and the first thing that it's going to do is it's going to suggest a status. Is the student making progress? On this worksheet, the suggested status is some progress. Now, the AI will also provide reasoning for why it's labeling it as some progress. Now, below, it writes the actual suggested progress note for you. Now, in addition to writing the progress note, it's also going to analyze the entire document. And what I love about here is it's going to give a summary about what the student did. It can list strengths, but then it also can list specific gaps and errors in student thinking that was on the worksheet. Now, let's take this one step further. Not only does it analyze the gaps and the errors, but it will provide you next steps, instructional next steps for how to support this student in addressing those misconceptions or gaps, and how to help them achieve their IEP goal. Let's go back to the analysis. Now, here's the suggested progress note. I'm going to hit continue, and as you can see, this now gets populated inside my note. I can make any edits that I want to. I can add things, I can take things out, and then I can hit submit. As you see here, my note's been saved. I can always go back and view that work sample. I can also always go back and view that analysis. So I can go back and see the doc summary or the next steps. It's all right here on the note. Now, the second thing that I want to talk to you about is new report writing features for you. So we just submitted this note for Carlos, and I'm going to click on this note, and what you'll see here is we have a new tab across the top of this note pop-up. I can see all of the different goal notes, but now what I can do is also generate many more reports. I can generate IEP progress reports, present levels reports, a parent letter. Now, all of these reports are being generated from the content that you've submitted for your progress monitoring notes. Not only do we have reports, but you can generate assessments like exit tickets or a progress monitoring probe. All of this is aligned to the IEP goal. Same thing with SDI. If I need suggestions for instructional strategies or accommodations or how to scaffold content, all of this information is here, centered around the student, progress notes, as well as the goal. So those are the new features inside of Playground IEP and our progress monitoring toolkit. Please let us know if you have any questions. We're excited to support your work. And if you are not using Playground for your school or your district, we would be happy to pilot with you. Inside the email that you just received, there's a link to schedule just a very quick check-in call or an intro call for us to learn more about your school and to share how we can support your work.